Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best grain-free dog foods that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the taste of the Wild High Prairie Canine grain-free recipe. In addition to the main proteins offered in the High Prairie flavor, other prominent ingredients include chicken meal, sweet potatoes, peas, and potatoes. The high vegetable content could make this a less viable option for dogs who are sensitive to carbohydrates, but most other products on this list are in the same boat. The food can be given to puppies, but feeding recommendations are provided for non-senior adults. A medium-sized dog weighing around 30 pounds should eat about 2 cups per day. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Blue Buffalo Blue Wilderness. That's why Blue Wilderness high-protein dog food is packed with the meat dogs crave. With delicious real chicken as the first ingredient, Blue Buffalo Wilderness natural grain-free dry food for adult dogs. Chicken recipe provides natural, balanced nutrition to help your dog thrive while satisfying their wild side. This protein-rich, grain-free formula contains fats, complex carbohydrates, fruits, and vegetables for wholesome, well-rounded nutrition without the grains some pet parents choose to avoid. High-quality protein from deboned chicken helps your dog maintain strong, healthy, lean muscles. Blue Wilderness dog foods are backed by the True Blue promise and always start with real, high-quality meat, poultry, or fish. At number 3, we have the Cesar Wet Dog Food. Cesar's variety pack includes 4 formulations that offer either duck, chicken, or turkey. Beyond the protein included, few other recognizable ingredients are listed, though that's not a knock on this product, which also includes some dried yam for bulk. This is the most expensive food on this list, which is a big reason why many of those who use it don't feed their dogs only this, and even Cesar themselves provide instructions for how to supplement their trays with dry kibble. But the variety pack offers a lot of options, and those who are prepared to pamper their pupper by considering this food in the first place probably aren't too concerned about the total investment. At number 2, we have the Canidae Pure Farm to Bowl Free-Range Chicken and Pea. The weight management version includes chicken as the main protein, and other major ingredients are limited to sweet potatoes, peas, garbanzo beans, and potatoes. The low-fat protein source is designed to help portly pups shed the unwanted pounds. Canidae Pure's weight loss formulation is designed to help your pup shed a few pounds, but it also offers a limited list of ingredients, which is a feature many other grain-free foods don't have. Combined with a price that's about average, that makes this an excellent value. And finally, at number 1, we have the Nature's Recipe Grain-Free Small Breed Dry Dog Food. Nature's Recipe also offers grain-free canned versions, as well as grain-free tray versions for small breeds that prefer wet food, or need to be enticed to eat their kibble with wet food toppers. But the wet versions are much pricier. Nature's Recipe also offers grain-free versions for puppies and large breeds. This dog food is made with real chicken as the number 1 ingredient, along with nutrient-dense carbohydrate sources like sweet potato and pumpkin. Fiber, active nutrients, and antioxidants also help support digestion, immune system health, and many other aspects of your dog's overall health with every bite. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.